When did you move to San Antonio?
I moved to San Antonio in 2010. Before that, I was in Boston for close to 20 years. I fell in love with San Antonio right away. The people, first and foremost, they're not only friendly, helpful, but most importantly, genuine. The city has grown so much and has so much to offer. And I was grateful for the training that I received in Boston though, and I, of course, will always be a fan of the New England Patriots.
Dr. Rodney Chan was born in Hong Kong and moved to Vancouver, Canada at a young age. He was good at science and was one of the few people who was admitted to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in Cambridge, where he completed studies in biology and biophysics. After college, he decided to go to medical school only several miles down the street at Harvard, where he trained under the famous Dr. Judah Folkman, a surgical icon, who discovered the basic concepts of tumor angiogenesis and exemplified humility and perseverance to achieve perfection in all aspects of his work. After medical school, Dr. Chan then completed 10 years of post-surgical training in surgery, and then plastic surgery, starting with an internship at the University of Washington Medical Center in Seattle, then a residency program in surgery back at Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston, and finally plastic surgery training at the Harvard Combined Program in Plastic Surgery, where he worked at the world-renowned Massachusetts General Hospital, Brigham and Women's Hospital, Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, Boston Children's Hospital, and the Shriners Hospital for Children. How do you prepare for an operation?
The most important thing I do to prepare for an operation is to remind myself of the patient's expectations. In plastic surgery, even though I can do 2 identical operations with 2 identical results, that alone does not mean that the success of those 2 operations are equal, because so much depends on each patient and their individual expectations. The other thing I do is plan. Planning down to the most minute details the night before an operation, even if it's something I've done many times, I still run through the scenario in my head over and over again with all the different variations and crossroads and detours, just so that I can anticipate anything that operation will take me.
What do you tell a close friend or family member to look for in a plastic surgeon?
Well, I probably ask for their name and I can give them a call and I'll just let them know what I think. Kidding aside, being board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery is, I believe, the minimum standard. There are lots of certifying boards out there, but only the American Board of Plastic Surgery and the American Society of Plastic Surgeons can certify doctors as plastic surgeons. I would recommend that they meet the surgeon, whether in person or even virtually, that they absolutely need to get a sense that he or she will be there for you in both good and bad times. Most operations go well, but when they don't, you want to have a surgeon who have the confidence, the personality, and expertise to get you through to the end result that you want. I believe that my colleagues, the surgeons at STARS Plastic Surgery, all have those qualities.
Tell me about your upbringing.
I have a younger sister. She's in the banking sector. Even though neither one of my parents are in medicine, they've taught the 2 of us that our mission in life, first and foremost, has to be caring for those around us in need. Plastic surgery for me fulfills that mission because I get to meet so many people in different walks of life, from infancy to adulthood, in different life circumstances, and all really unique and sometimes challenging problems. And I get to use the knowledge that I've learned to help them achieve their goals. Going from understanding a patient's struggle to visualizing their physical and psychological transformation, it's so satisfying. And knowing that I actually participated in that transformation in just a small way is a privilege, and I will never take that for granted. That's the ultimate gift that my parents have given me, and I hope to one day be able to give that to my children.